bear market that Bitcoin has had that has followed Wyckoff to a T. And so on Wyckoff, we'd be getting gravitating right about to here to 25K. And we could go higher, but ultimately we're going to go to this point right here, 25K. And nothing is really like bullish on Bitcoin until we get weekly, daily closes above 25K. When we start getting daily closes above 25K, that is very, very bullish to me. And if we go over here on the last, this is why I'm going to give you guys the keys to the castle. So I'm going to tell you like how I come up with this kind of stuff. All right, this is like some gold gems right here. So make sure you're dropping that. So I use a hybrid of Wyckoff method along with Fibonacci retracements because everything is Fibonacci. Okay, so we had a huge parabolic run. Make sure you guys can see that. Yep. Okay, let me zoom in so it's nice and pretty. So this is the 2017 bull run for Bitcoin. Okay, we had a massive parabolic rise, crashed down 85%, just like we just had. Show you, 85% to the downside, 83.7, 87, right? And then everyone right here is crypto's stupid, crypto's dumb. Why would you be in crypto? Blah blah blah. This is the bottom, the depths of the bottom. Everyone's saying it's going to go lower. It's going to go to 100. It's going to go to 0, right? It's okay, and then you fast forward. It's going to go to 12K. It's going to go to 10K, right? Same thing. Then you have an automatic rally, which for this was a 3x. Okay? And this goes somewhere between, the automatic rally goes somewhere between the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement and the 702. And look, if you zoom in here, it nails the 618 perfectly on the head. Okay? And before that, this is where I think we're at in the market right now. Okay, you guys? Right here, we just crashed all the way down after a huge crash. We had a huge crash, so let's move over here. I'm going to show you guys. Huge crash down, right? Trading sideways. We think, whew, that's it, right? Huge crash down. We think that's it. Whew. One more leg down. One more leg down. Trading sideways. Depths of despair. Depths of despair sideways. Crank right out of here. Back to the prior support, resistance. It was resistance, now it is support. Okay? And then here we are right here. Busting out of this range right here to this. We're going to probably get rejected off the 25K. Maybe we bust through it. Who knows? At the point where we're at right now, we just need to see how high it's going to range. But after that, we came back tested the prior resistance as support. So we came up, back tested the prior resistance as support. And I think that that is exactly what we are going to do. We'll probably come up here to 25K, roll back over, back test this prior resistance as support. This is Bitcoin. Let me just put a neckline. I have a buy order for 18, I think it's 18.7. So anywhere between 21 and then it could be as low as here. This is going to be a back test. So this is where I have mine. I have mine somewhere in here as a back test. And then we're going to go off and away to the 702 or the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, which for Bitcoin right now is 39,000 as high as 49,000. This is going to happen, in my opinion, sometime in 2023. People are going to think that the bull market is back on. You're going to start seeing peak euphoria. Everyone on Twitter, they're going to be talking about rocket to Mars. And I'm going to say, no, thank you, my friend. I'm going to get back I'm going to take my stop here at the moon because it's going to come back down to earth. We're going to have some sort of black swan at the end of 2023, the beginning of 2024. This was COVID right here. This was the COVID black swan. But that in Wyckoff is what they call a spring, because you spring the hell out of here. This is your last time to get life-changing entry points. So for me, how I'll be playing this, I'm not telling you what to do, but how I'll be playing this is I'm going to get one more little buy and heavy dollar cost averaging in addition to what I already have been doing, about 20 to 17,000 Bitcoin. Whatever, anywhere in there is good with me. And then when we get to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement at 40,000 is where I will be de-risking almost everything, because Bitcoin is the entire market. Whatever Bitcoin doing, guess what? Everything else is doing. I can eeny, meeny, miny, moe a chart, and I bet you see something similar to this. So that is where I'll be de-risking almost everything. At least probably 30% of my portfolio I'll be getting rid of into USDC, waiting for the spring into the next bull market. Because this is what I said the last time. Just because the bottom is in, and I'm telling you now, the bottom is in, my friends. The bottom is in. But just because the bottom is in doesn't mean the bull market is on. Okay?